Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. My name is Faye and today I will share some of my recent purchases and favorites that I'll be using a lot during the summer. I thought that it would be nice to also unbox some of the things that I bought during my trip to Italy earlier this summer. So let's get started. Let's first unbox what I got at Dior. And I was actually in Capri earlier this summer, and I just posted my latest Capri and Ishka vlog. If you haven't seen it, I will link to it here. It was amazing, one of the most beautiful destinations you can go to, and it feels quite crowded now actually in Capri. It's not that private as it was a few years ago. I would say that in order to get some relax and calm, I highly recommend to stay at the Capri side of Capri Island, because Capri Island side is always full of people, and it's hard to, really feel fully relaxed, at least in my opinion. I went to city center of Capri, and I mean, basically all the luxury stores were there, plus some local stores. At the luxury shops in Capri, you can always find things that rarely or not available in other boutiques, because the brands often try to select more limited editions and special editions for the stores in Capri. I was there browsing for nothing in particular, but then I found this and I got really happy. It's something that I didn't expect to find actually, and yeah, let's unbox it together. So this is it. I bought a beautiful Dior scarf. It's 90 times 90, so and it smells so nice. And I find that the pattern is incredibly beautiful, and it looks like watercolored. I mean, look at this pattern, and it also says Dior on the side. It's not the usual one that you normally see. This one has all sort of pattern, like butterflies and some birds in some areas, but yeah, I mean, this color makes it quite universal, so you can use it both for summer and for late fall, maybe even during the winter time actually. Because I was contemplating between this and a pink one. The pink one was very neutral pink, and it also looked really beautiful. It was like soft and felt a bit subtle and sophisticated. This color is more neutral, making it more versatile. I love 90 times 90 scarves, because it's so useful for every day, not only around your neck. It's also possible to knit it as a top in various type of ways, and this one will look beautifully. I can't wait to start wearing it. I also went to the Italian pharmacy to buy a few goodies, and love the Italian pharmacies. They have so many good stuffs, and a lot of them are not available to buy or try outside of Italy. And in Italy they also have really good own research labs making their skincare, which are highly underrated in my opinion. Don't forget to visit the pharmacy to get the toothpaste. I really enjoyed these toothpaste. I have during the last month tried this one with the rose scent, and for you who doesn't know this brand called Marvis, it's the Hermes of toothpastes, and it's made in Italy, and a bit of luxury for yourself, but I would say it's an amazing gift. Just at around 10 euros you get a really nice toothpaste. And this one that I started to use is called Kissing Rose, and it's from their limited edition garden collection. I think they are still selling this at the moment, and this particular one has fragrant notes of Bulgarian rose and fresh hint of mint. And the pharmacist said to me that this was her favorite out of all of them. I also got this taste, also part of their garden collection, called this Sinuous Lily. Elegance of white bouquet of lilies combined with the freshness of peppermint. And yeah, I can't wait to try this one up as well. I also got this cute little lip gloss with aging defense. It's hydrating and plumping, and yeah, this one has no color. It's just looks glass-like when you put it. The best thing with this is that it has these SPF 30 built in. I find that it's really hard to find lip glosses with SPF on. When I saw this, I immediately snatched it, and I also think that this is so cute that it comes with this small holder and keychain for the lip gloss, so that you can always bring it with you. It's from the brand Miamo, which is a skin clinic founded in Neapel. They developed their skincare from their own lab, which is highly regarded inside Italy. But outside, I think that this brand is not that famous. But this clear gloss is super nice on. I usually just coat it over any color that I'm using, just to protect my lips from the sun's UV lights. And it also comes with this nice cooling effect with the metal here. So nice and cooling on the lips. Also, it's a bit cooling with the mint once you put it on. So if you are traveling to Italy, I highly recommend you getting some skincare and lip product from Miamo. They have some other colors as well, but I found that this clear gloss worked best for me. And talking about lippies, I want to share some recent favorite of lippies that I just got. From Chanel, I just got their limited edition Rouge Coco Balm Sparkling Pink 772, and it's this beautiful sheer pink shade, which is lovely for summer. I would say that it's very similar to the Tom Ford one that is called Sunlit Rose Lip Balm, and this one has been my all-time favorite for many years, and you see that I just finished mine, and it remains my favorite actually. I just wanted to switch up this one to try something new, but actually I would say that I still adore this formula and this sheen to the lip compared to this one. Feel that I need to keep applying this one much more than this one. And also, I mean, look at this packaging. It's so gorgeous, and you can even use it as a mirror when you put on your lipstick. So I mean, love this one. This Tom Ford one gives a little bit more hint of a rose and pink, and this lip balm is more sheer and powdery cool on the lips compared to this one. And this one also has a lot more sparkles than the Sunlit Rose from Tom Ford. I also want to show a few shoes that I have loved to death during this summer. I have been walking a lot, and it has been so hot, both in Italy when I was traveling there, but also here at home, here in Stockholm. So first off, the shoe that I wore the most in Italy is my Mary Janes, and it's this one from Vivaya, and these has been so nice because they are breezy. I highly recommend them to pair with beautiful summer dresses, midi skirts, because they are really making your whole look more classy and elegant, and at the same time they are very comfortable. It doesn't matter how hot it's been, this material makes the feet breathe, and the embroidered pattern are so beautiful and cute. I just feel that they give the shoes that extra sophistication, because it's not too much, but it still gives some sweetness and personality to the shoe. And I'm sorry about that they look so dirty now. I will wash them soon. The best part with Vivaya shoes is that almost all of the shoes are machine washable, and these one are no exceptions. And the cushion in the shoe is so soft, and it's like walking on marshmallows, so you will be able to walk on them for a long time. And I will link to them down below in the description. I also have a discount code that I will add there. Another shoe that I have been walking non-stop with are these sneakerinas, and I have 3 pair of these in different colors and design, but this specific one has these beautiful laces. And actually I have seen so many variants of designer sneakerinas. I mean, Prada makes them, and exact similar one from Jimmy Choo. So I would say that these are the budget version of the Jimmy Choo one, and these are also super comfy, and you can wash them without problems in the washing machine as well. I will have to wash these soon as well. And finally, these shoes are also some shoes that I have been using non-stop during the summer. These are the new upgraded version of the Cara sandals, also from Vivaya. And the perfect thing with these shoes are that they are so stretchy, and it has this support. And what I love with these shoes are that they give me so much support when walking. These are actually my go-to when I need to walk a bit longer, because these gives much more support than the Sneakerina and the Mary Janes. I'm quite short, I'm just 153 centimeter, and so I love when I can get a little extra length from the shoes. This platform shoe is the perfect one for the summer holidays, and I just love how comfy these are. Finally, I want to share some beauties from Capri. This is from their local brand called Cartusia. They have Discovery set, and I bought some for my friends because I think this is the perfect gift from Capri. It's very typical Capri. So here's the perfumes that I chose. This one is a limited edition called Amare, and then they have the red one, which is Corallium, and Mediterranean. These two are classics, and this one has a beautiful lemon scent combined with green tea, so it's very refreshing. It's a hint of sweetness in it. It has this patchouli, but also mandarin and bergamot. It also gives a calmness. And then we have the signature scent Fiore di Capri, and this one I got for myself. This has the scent of lily of the valley, a hint of sandalwood combined with amber, liang liang, and it gives such playful scent. At the same time, it gives a breath of elegance, which I just love. When I smell this scent, it's like I'm falling back to my trip in Capri. It just reminds me of that trip totally. So this is a beautiful scent for summer. So this was it for my recent haul and favorites. I hope you enjoyed watching and hanging out with me. And as said, I will link everything down below in the description box below, including my code for Vivaya that gives you 10% if you want to check out the shoes. Thank you for spending some of your precious time together with me, and I hope that I will see you soon. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to watch more, then you can hang out with me here, and I will see you soon again. Mwah.